Hey guys, Ben Maddox here, Johnson RV. We're in our beautiful showroom here in Sandy, Oregon. We'd love to invite you to come out and check out this amazing facility. We've got 12 acres here. We specialize in a lot of different products, mostly vans, but one of our signature products we've had for the last about 15 years is our leisure travel vans. They're up in Winkler, Manitoba. A very small assembly line, very high quality, amazing materials, very well engineered, and they keep getting better. We've got a treat. Late model, used 2024 Unity RL. It's hard to get your hands on these. There's a wait time on new ones, so if you guys don't want to wait, skip the line and come check this one out. We think the lighting here is a little bit different. We think it's graphite, but could be glacier exterior. They're very similar in terms of the look and the aesthetics. A beautiful full body paint job, 5 coats of color. This is the new dual turbo, high output 4-cylinder, amazing motor. People absolutely love it. Gets better fuel economy than the 6-cylinder, no turbo lag, 9-speed transmission. It's got all your new safety features. Just coming around the outside here, you've got the Alcoa, optional Alcoa wheels. You got these really nice fiberglass steps that are bolted into the frame. And when you look at the design of the fiberglass wall, you guys see the curve in it. I went to the factory, I was fortunate to go there last year. What they do is they make these cuts in the framing and they actually bend it, and then they do a molded fiberglass to that framing. You got your Valborn lithium batteries, which was new in 2024 with your 3,000 watt inverter. There was an option for a little bit more. If you want to add some more to it, feel free to. With the RL, you do have some outside storage along the skirting. You got some nice storage overhead here. Really nice light cabinetry. This is actually a veneer over solid maple wood, so it's really durable and really good wood. So this whole area converts into another sleeping area. This flips over and you have your blow-up mattress. This was an option from Leisure Travel, so a really nice feature there. If you end up bringing other people along with you, you can sleep 2 in the back, 2 up here. It's got leveling jacks, it's got solar. You got heated batteries so that when you're in sub-freezing temperatures, you can still charge your battery system. Really nice galley area, flush mount, cooktop, and sink there. Corian countertops, beautiful appliances, just really well lit. You see all that the rope lighting all throughout the coach. Just really make it pop, and you can shut all of these off in different sections. Nice fridge and freezer, convection microwave oven, pull-out pantry here. Logoed, laser cut. And then just like twin bed and island bed, if you're familiar, everything from here forward is pretty much identical. Great size shower. I'm gonna have Sammy check that out. Oh yeah, Samantha is our producer today and director. So if I'm unavailable, please ask for her. Check out the size of this bathroom. Love the curved door. Again, super bright and light all the way through. Porcelain toilet, macerating toilet. And then you've got the entertainment right behind Samantha. So really nice lounge area. Such a versatile floor plan. What people love about this is you have this really comfortable, relaxing area. You have these bay windows right here, which they have a cover over that one. So you pull up to the campsite, you're next to the river, the lake, you got this natural viewing. And then when you're tired, it's bedtime. You got your queen mattress here. And this whole thing, as soon as you take these cushions out, just folds right down and you got your mattress ready to go. So it's such a great versatile floor plan. It's one of the newer floor plans. We can't wait for you to come check it out. It is a pre-owned, premium 2024 Unity RL. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV. I've got Sammy Smith behind the camera. Look forward to seeing you soon and help you go camping.